Hi, welcome back. Another important session. It's actually a tip. So for beginners who is trying to access SAP system, like in my Udemy courses, whoever trying to do the self practice, they asked me this one. So for S4 HANA, I have already done one video. So a little change is there for S4 HANA. Otherwise, you can able to see this. Okay. So the topic is how to find technical names, any drop down or something like that. You just try to take a screenshot from this slide so that it can be useful for you how to get this. What is the actual problem? Okay, it's not a problem. It's a small setting. So for example, if you see this purchase order, for example, someone is copied the standard PO, someone has given this text uh, for understandability for their own way of practicing and in real time also. So this standard PO can be copied into different document types. But the question is here, so like for example, you copied standard PO like that, at the time of practicing, you are copying some 100 people copied the standard PO. Which PO is, you don't know, right? But the document type is unique for this PO. In the similar way, if I go to, okay, SAP Easy Access, for example, logistics, you go to the sales and distribution. So master data, you take any node. It is irrespective of module for this setting. What I'm going to show you now. If you go to the customer, go to the create. Okay, you're not getting the T code, the respective T code associated with this link. Okay, so like how do we do that? For example, this easy access you are accessing, you are trying to arrive on one path, the respective T code you would like to find it out. Okay, so this is also one way you can find it out, but you will not see every time here. Okay, program and transaction. But what is the best way to do that? Let's go to the settings and go to the options. Okay, go to visualization one. See, show keys within the drop down list. Okay, so let's apply. Okay, now go to ME21N. For example, this is purchase order creation. You can see this. These are the document types you are getting here. So this is for whatever the drop downs you are accessing here. Okay, so you got the document type. I'm not going to create anything. So in it is useful for irrespective of all your SAP modules. These settings required in your practice system. Sometimes, so you got a real-time login. Such a case, it is very difficult, right? Like so many things got created. How you'd like to manage that one without knowing transaction codes and drop downs? Okay, this is one of the tip. I think experienced people aware of this one. There is no problem for them. So now come here. If you see this, what I would say, still you cannot able to see this one. For this, what you have to do is go to extras. Okay, go to settings. You can see this display technical names. Just enter. Okay, the screen got refreshed. So go to logistics, sales and distribution. You go any module for that matter. Okay, business partners, customers. You can see the T codes, right? Okay, previously we did not find. Okay, previously we couldn't able to find this one. Okay, this is how we have to play with the system actually. I think this session is useful for you. If you like my video, you can subscribe. Okay, so like this is my Udemy channel where like sales and distribution plain English and SAP rebates. This is a specific course, and if you are passionate to learn SAP pricing with good basics and concepts, you go through this course. This is one of the top-rated course. Apart from that, stock transfer and intercompany sales, you can learn with full confidence. And I have a courses for S4 HANA 909 FSCM. This is very important. Someone who is getting into the projects, if you'd like to support for your FSCO consultants, for FSCO consultants, it will be like additional knowledge. Okay, and sometimes if he is supposed to alone handle, it will give idea and overview and concepts where we need to set up the blocks. Okay, as for HANA screens for credit management. If you are beginner, then you better go through is getting master to write a functional specification. This is SD business processes on ECC, SAP S4 HANA intercompany sales and consignment sales. Okay, a specific course, and you would like to learn stock transfers in S4 HANA 2020. Okay, 2020. Recently, I have done this. Okay, all these are the courses my side. So this is advanced level. I have done it. I think some different kind of students will be there. So like this new course he rated. I don't know, I asked him. So that's what I'm telling. If you are passionate about certain things, instead of rating instructors, better write your queries. That's where the quality differs in learning. Okay. Okay, all people are not the same when it compared to in the terms of thought process and mindset. Some guys will be there, they never grow in life. Okay, so leave about that one. So if you like my video, you can subscribe my channel. Have a passion to learn. Okay, don't discourage yourself if you are not at onboarded into real time. Also, no issues, we will try to help you out. That is, the channel is all meant for it. And you can comment it if you have any doubts, and you try to subscribe my courses. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best. More importantly, Jai Hind.